The DS18 JBASS tailgate subwoofer is specifically crafted for Jeep models, offering an unmatched audio experience tailored to your vehicle's tailgate. This subwoofer enclosure is designed to house two 10-inch shallow subwoofers, delivering powerful bass that transforms your Jeep into an audio powerhouse. Its custom-fit design for Jeep tailgates ensures a seamless integration, maintaining your vehicle's aesthetics while upgrading its sound system without creating clutter. Constructed from high-strength polyethylene, this enclosure is robust enough to withstand off-road adventures, providing durability and long-lasting performance. The built-in RGB LED customization allows you to personalize your Jeep's lighting atmosphere through your phone, adding a vibrant touch to your night drives. With its easy installation process, including a grille and harness, you can quickly enhance your Jeep's audio setup and make a significant impact on your listening experience.